Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, fast-moving snow system from last night, leaving anywhere from 1 to 4 inches of dry, fluffy snow. Back to sunshine and, well, clear skies to partly cloudy conditions right now. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, not seeing any precipitation, so we'll take a break from that for a little while. But by tomorrow afternoon, we'll bring back more snow. But as mentioned, very light in amounts, very minor, not as much as what came through last night. Of course, the numbers for the season as far as snow, very impressive. At the airport in Warwick, ranking number 8 as far as the seasonal total, 60.1. Boston now at number 2, just over 100 inches of snow, and Worcester coming in at number 4. Even though the airport in Warwick has 60, we have reports in northern Rhode Island anywhere from 70 to 90 inches of snow so far for the season. So the threat tracker in the low category tonight through early tomorrow morning. Put it back in the medium zone tomorrow afternoon. A little bit of snow, make for some slippery conditions, but nothing too significant as far as amounts. I'll show you those numbers in a second. We're back to a quiet but very cold weather on Friday. Live pictures along the South Shore, Narragansett, with clear to partly cloudy conditions. Nice reddish hue on the western horizon in downtown Providence right now under mainly clear conditions. Temps range from the upper 20s to low 30s. Not too bad now, but these numbers will drop rapidly, so turning a lot colder overnight. So by tomorrow morning, we're as low as 10, 15 degrees above zero. Storm system developing across the southern plains and the Gulf of Mexico. Normally would be very concerned about moisture in this position and cold air over New England. This is most of the time, this is a classic setup for some big snow around here. However, it looks like the thrust of that moisture is going to pass just out to sea to our south on Thursday. So we miss real heavy snow. But the very northern fringe of it, which is very light, will graze the area tomorrow, especially South Shore. And that's why we're anticipating just a little bit of a minor accumulation. Futurecast this evening and overnight, clear, cold, and dry. Temperatures settle down to about 10 to 15. Tomorrow morning, you see gray skies, dry to start the day, temperature only 15, a much colder day. And then during the afternoon, especially south of Providence, you see the northern fringe of that snow skirting the area, especially South Shore and especially southeastern Massachusetts. It's out of here by later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, with the very cold conditions continuing, but dry weather settles in for you Thursday night. How much? Very little. I would say Providence south, a dusting to an inch. North and west of Providence, only a dusting. You get out towards the Cape and the islands, including Block Island, between 1 and 2. Favoring the 1-inch amount as you get closer to the shoreline. The further north you go, it's more in the way of dusting. And that's all it takes, though, to create some slippery conditions in the afternoon. So just be aware of that. Tomorrow morning, starting off dry, cloudy skies. By 11 o'clock, some scattered snow showers off and on, light snow throughout the afternoon, especially the further south you go, especially closer to the coastline. Temperatures a lot colder than today, where we topped out in the mid-30s. 7-day Futurecast shows you snow shower activity for Thursday at 20, cold and dry Friday and Saturday. Look at these overnight low temperatures, especially Saturday morning, getting close to zero. Weekend looks dry, but by Sunday night into Monday morning, we'll bring in some light snow. And then towards Tuesday, a mix of rain and snow with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. So outside of the light snow coming up for tomorrow, will be dry through Friday and the weekend. I mean, when was the last time we had a dry weekend? We'll take it. You can you can download the Channel 12 weather app on your smartphone and on your tablets as well. It seems like so many weekends we've had some sort of an issue, but most of this weekend is looking okay.
All right, that's good. All right, thanks, Tony.